So today I'm about to show you how to invite a collaborator in Flow.io step by step. If you want to work with a team or share your workflow with someone, this will help you set it up quickly. Let's get started. First, open Flow.io and go to your project. Once inside, look for the share or invite button. Usually it is located at the top of your workspace like this. Click to open the collaboration settings. Now, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Next, choose their access level. Viewer, which they can only view, and if for editor, they can make changes. After that, click Send Invite. The person will receive an invitation and can join your project once they accept it. For better collaboration, only give edit access to trusted users. Keep your workflow organized before sharing and use clear naming for nodes and branches. And that's it. That's how to invite a collaborator in Flow.io. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and comment down below what other topic you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.